Today's credit repair tip. If you have bad credit, take a look at your credit report or your credit monitoring service and look in the category of last updated. If you have negative accounts that have not updated in 6 months, a year, 2 years, don't touch those accounts. And the reason is because since they haven't updated in several years, they're not really affecting your score that much. So it's a much better idea to focus on the negative accounts that are still currently updating every month, because those are hurting your score every month, and leave those older accounts that are no longer updating, leave them alone, because they're affecting your score less and less every month. If you have bad credit and you're tired of having bad credit and you want good credit, contact me. Send me an email, send me a message, and I'll give you a free credit repair analysis and estimate, and let's get you started back on the road to good credit.